Hi, my name's Haley. I run the Cover to Cover program. In this video, I'll be asking you a question. Answer the question for a chance to win the prize. Before we discuss the question, we'll be talking all about writing prompts. What are writing prompts? Well, writing prompts can be in any form, such as a quote, a single word, or even a picture. The ones that I gave you are 5 different pictures. These pictures can help you focus your writing in any way that you want. If you're wondering how do I do this, you can write in any way that you want. You can write a song, a poem, a journal entry, a short story, any way possible you can write about. You can even set a timer for a few minutes or 10 or 20 minutes just to see how much you can get done in that certain amount of time. Now I'm going to give you some examples on how I interpreted the pictures and how I used my writing prompts. Just keep in mind that there's no right or wrong way on how to do this. So I'm going to start out with this one. So for this one, I did a journal entry, but instead of the journal entry being about me, I decided to pretend to be the character in the picture and think about what she would be going through and how she'd be feeling, and then I wrote that. For this one, the character looks like she's in high school, so I decided to do a journal entry on myself and reflect on my time in high school. For this one, I did a poem. I just wrote a few lines just on how the character would be feeling in this situation. And then for this one, I decided to do another poem, but I did a haiku on the shark being inside the roof. And then for this last one, I decided to do a short story on the character in the picture on why she decided to trespass and what she was going through. Now those are just some examples. The question for this video is, how did you use your writing prompts? Did you write a journal or a poem or anything else? Comment down your answer for a chance to win the prize.